Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use Grok 3 inside of Google Chrome, okay? Previously, back in the day, you could only use Grok if you had a premium X account, meaning a premium Twitter account. But nowadays, it has its own interface and you can just use it from the internet, from the browser, okay? Which is what I'm going to show you today. So now, you want to go to Google and you just want to type in Grok, excuse me. Now, let's actually go to the first result, which is going to be this one here. And now you want to go to try now, okay? Now, after you're ready, you will need to sign into your account, okay? Which I'm going to do right now because otherwise it's not going to let you, select any prompts, okay? So let's sign into our account. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to continue with Google in here, okay? You can create an account from scratch, totally, with your email and with your password. But I find this much easier to just go with Google. You can also continue with your X account. It's actually the same. Okay, let's select our Google account, click on continue, and we're pretty much ready now. Okay, now after you're here, which is the homepage, it's like similar to Chat GPT, you can select what model you want to use, okay? As you can see, we have Grok 3 and Grok 2, okay, which is the previous model. You can select Grok 3, okay, which is the latest and it works very, very good. But keep in mind that it's going to have a certain limit if you're not paying for a premium plan, okay? So let's actually type in any prompt that we like, okay? Let's say, what is the result of adding 100 plus 230, 2013, for example, right? Very simple. Okay, cool. Quick and simple stuff, all right? And you can do the same with any prompt you like. That's it. Thank you so much.